Conquer the list. Mastering ordinal numbers in sequences. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our lesson today on using ordinal numbers in lists. Ordinal numbers are very useful when we want to describe a position or order of things in a list. Today, we will focus on understanding and using ordinal numbers in lists effectively. So, let's get started. Ordinal numbers are used to express rank or position. In other words, ordinal numbers tell us the order of things. Think of words like first, second, third, and so on. These are all examples of ordinal numbers. When we list things, we often use ordinal numbers to indicate the order or sequence of items. For example, when you make a to-do list, you might write 1. First, I will clean my room. 2. Second, I will do my homework. 3. Third, I will call my friend. Here, first, second, and third are all ordinal numbers that help specify the sequence of tasks. Now that we understand what ordinal numbers are, let's learn to use them in lists. Remember, the use of ordinal numbers can make your sentences clearer and more structured. They are particularly useful when giving directions, explaining procedures, or detailing sequences of events. Let's take an example. 1. First, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Second, mix the flour and sugar in a bowl. 3. Third, add the eggs and stir well. 4. Fourth, pour the mixture into a cake tin. 5. Fifth, bake for 25 minutes. In this recipe, we used ordinal numbers to express the sequence of steps in baking a cake. Now it's your turn. Practice writing your own lists using ordinal numbers. Here's a tip. You could create a daily schedule, list down the sequence of a favorite recipe, or even outline the chapters of a book. 1. First, decide what your list will be about. 2. Second, start writing your list, using ordinal numbers to indicate the sequence. 3. Third, read your list to ensure the sequence makes sense. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using ordinal numbers in lists. We've now come to the end of our lesson on using ordinal numbers in lists. Remember, ordinal numbers are your best friends when it comes to sequencing items or actions. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!